This is Amin Parker, and welcome back to the air conditioner area of the room. Okay, this is the upstairs area of the house. Okay, so we just got finished using the vacuum cleaner a little while ago. And now I want to explain something about this air conditioning area. So because I couldn't find any white electrical tape, something that can actually blend in better with this area of the room, I had no choice but to use red tape, in order to keep this in place. It looks a little tacky though. Yeah, because the red tape makes this area look tacky to me, but I didn't have any other options at the time. So that's why this is taped here, just to keep the air conditioner in place. Okay, I'm using that over here too. This air conditioner is a little bit old, so I mean it's somewhat falling apart in a way, I guess you can say. So I got these things here. I don't want this to open up. Okay. What else? And this whole area up here does not have any more ants. I keep this ant poison here. This is the bait. But I haven't seen any ants for a while, for so long now. So I guess I can get rid of these things. Okay. So I just got finished vacuuming the floor. So I'm going to get some fresh air in a moment. Let's turn this on. Right now it's on the fan. Turn this here. Yeah, I can feel the cool, darn near Arctic air. Turn this up to the maximum level, which is right here. That's max. Turn it all the way to maximus. Ooh, that feels good, guys. That feels good. And now I'll just, let the air circulate throughout the room. Basically, I'm all done cleaning for now.